how to convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and further tap on the new project option and import your landscape video, that is 16:9 aspect ratio video. Once imported, from the bottom toolbar of your screen, scroll through and navigate to aspect ratio option and tap on it. Now, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, that is the vertical ratio. You can then pinch to zoom in on the subject in the video, and you can also drag to reposition the important part like a person's face. Now, tap on the preview option in order to see if the video is as per your preference, and then tap on the export option from the top right of your screen, and with this your portrait formatted video will be exported. So this is how you can convert landscape video to portrait in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.